This video lesson is anchored from Pivot for a Learner's Material, English for Grade 7, Quarter 2, which was published and distributed by the Department of Education, Region 4A, Calabarzon. Good day, learners! I am Miss Lani, and welcome to another day of exploring the world of English. Let's say that you need a specific set of information about COVID-19. What resources will you use? A newspaper, an encyclopedia, a poster, or an online search engine? Which among these sources will help you work quickly? That is right, an online search engine, because this is quick and easy to use. This lesson deals with locating specific resources using an online search engine. While there are numerous links and platforms to locate information we need from available resources, resorting to ones that run electronically will usually be one's primary option. Technology has indeed done a great job in making things possible and easier to do in a shorter amount of time compared to doing them manually. As we journey through this lesson, you will be engaged to learn more about electronic search engines, different types of search engines, how they actually work, and how they do magic in locating specific resources. Now, let us check your background knowledge on this topic. Identify which of the following statements are true about online search engines. In your paper, use a check to mark the ones which you think are true and cross for those you considered false. Number 1. An online search engine is similar to a web page. Number 2. We need online search engines to lead us to sources in the internet. Number 3. A search engine may still work even without the internet. Number 4. A website is another term for a search engine. And number 5. Search engines make our access to the information we need possible. While the library is usually the primary go-to place for students when they are in need of information or data from specific resources, technology has deeply changed the way we perceive the library work and research, from using electronic resources like online public access catalog in accessing a wide array of online libraries from all over the world through the mechanism of online search engines. The World Wide Web, or the Internet, contains truckloads of information. This is why searching for a specific information in this huge repertoire of knowledge can be both tiring and intimidating. The primary key to navigating the internet successfully is actually knowing where to start. This is where the roles of a search engine come into play. An online search engine is actually a program that searches for words or phrases in documents, most often in articles, web pages, and published materials in the internet. It is similar to a library in an online setting, as it gives you access to millions of domain names that store vast amounts of information. There are 3 common types of search engines one may use: These are general search engines, meta search engines, and specific search engines. General search engines refer to a wide-ranging search engines capable of searching millions upon millions of sites for specific information. These include the likes of MSN, Ask.com, Yahoo, and Google. A meta search engine, on the other hand, works by actually using other search engines to find the needed information. It works the same way when you use a website to help find the best deals on a particular product, or let's say, flight booking for your trip. Popular examples of this type include Blingo, Dogpile, and Metacrawler. Finally, a specific search engine, as the name implies, is a much smaller and more specific type and is designed more specifically for certain users' needs. A good example for this type is a periodical database on culture, history, politics, and government, which are usually accessed for research purposes. While specific search engines can usually be accessed for free, as in the case of academic databases in libraries, most would require user enrollment for subscription to allow unlimited access. Some examples under this type are Academic Search, JSTOR, and LexisNexis. It is essential, however, to note that in order for you to maximize the efficiency of your use of search engines, there are strategies that may be used to help you find the most relevant results. These also save time and ensure that you only get the data that you actually need. These strategies include knowing the proper keywords to be used in the search. Addition of keys that can prompt the search engine helps in limiting search results. Now get your pen and paper and answer the following. Classify each item as to general, meta search, and specific. Now it's time to check your answers. For number 1, MSN's Bing is general. Number 2, Dogpile, meta search. Blingo, meta search. Google, general. Ask.com, general. JSTOR, specific. Yahoo, general. Academic search, specific. Metacrawler, meta search. Alta Vista, general. Remember that regardless of what type of search engine you decide to use, you will always find a vast selection of resources. Most users would usually prefer using one search engine before all others, and you might decide to do just the same. Now this wraps up today's sessions on locating specific information using online search engine. I hope you learned a lot from me today. Thank you!